Here's how to convert to PNG. So I personally use an app called ConvertSave. It's one that I created actually with my brother who's a developer, and it helps me drag and drop files from my desktop on Windows or Mac and just convert video, audio, and images. So we've got a bunch of images here, and it doesn't really matter what the file type is. ConvertSave supports hundreds of different conversions. We can click and drag all of these images in. You'll see them in here, and then we could switch them all to PNG if we want to. I see one of them's already a PNG, and that's actually totally fine. We'll switch to PNG, hit convert. It converts all those and saves them right next to where they came from. Now, PNG is a little bit bigger of a file, but you should see those conversions happen pretty quickly. You can see here, it didn't overwrite the other PNG that we were converting. It just kind of converted and saved a copy of that PNG as well. So it's not going to overwrite those files in case it comes in with the same name as a file that's already in that folder. That's ConvertSave. Like I said, it's an offline file converter for Windows and Mac. It does video, audio, and images. There's a link in the description, or you can just go to convertsave.com. I'm sick of using sketchy websites. Maybe you are too. No more uploading and downloading. This happens all locally on your computer. Check it out. Thanks for your support, and I'll see you guys in the next one.